Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to get tracking on Roblox. As you can see, if I move my head, it is moving with my head. So how can I get this animation on Roblox? I'll guide you on this video one by step by step. So guys, make sure to follow me in this video to get this tracking and face cam as well. As you can see here, face cam. Can also get this face cam on Roblox. So how can you get this? I'll share. Before starting, guys, if you can new on channel, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, start the video. So first of all, let's come out of this game. First of all, go to and click on three dot, click on marketplace. First of all, you have to make sure that you have a dynamic head on Roblox. So you can search for it. So I'll give first of all, you have to go to and customize and go to head and body and see if you have this dynamic head or not. Usually, most of the head works animation, but this gives you the realistic. So this chisel good looks. I'll give the link of this head. You just need to go and download, get it as soon as possible in your inventory and equip it. Once you equip it, you will your avatar face will look like this. And after this, now you have to click on three dot, go to home. Now click on three dot. Now go to settings. Now go to in privacy. Same process will be on the mobile as well. It is not no difference. Click on privacy. Now just scroll down and you will see these two permissions. Can you see? Microphone and camera input. So basically, if you want to get animation, you have to enable this option. You have to enable camera for the Roblox. To enable it, you have to click on this toggle button, and once you tap on toggle button, your camera is being used by the Roblox. So the green dot shows that the Roblox is using your camera. So once you enable it, you will get the face tracking on Roblox. And if you want to use or if you want to track your voice as well, you have to enable the microphone to chat with voice, and you have to click on this. If you don't see this microphone on your privacy, then you have to verify your age. And I have already made a video on that. You can check it out how to verify your age. And once you enable both these things, now you can go back to any game that supports face tracking. So I'll show you how to check whether the game supports face tracking or not. Like suppose I will open this. Please donate. Now go to its specification, and now you will see that in communication, this game supports microphone and camera both. It means it will support face tracking. Come out of this and let's play this game again. And now in the game, how I'll show you how to enable it. Now, first of all, you have to click on this Roblox icon. As you can see, this Roblox icon, click on it. Now click on this microphone icon and this video icon. And if you want to enable the face cam, also you can enable this option. Fine. And now let me zoom in. So as you can see that it's now face tracking perfectly, and also voice tracking as well, since I have already enabled the voice chat options in the description. So yeah, hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. And that's how you can do it. If you like, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, till then.